Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and the cameraman already has me laughing. He bought me a box knife for my birthday to open boxes, and what do I go grab every time? Scissors. I want to tell you about this box. This is a really cool thing, but huge. Doll, Joy, Lissa, and I have done a trade. She had opened on her channel, I don't know what they're called, forgive me Lissa, I can't remember, but they had little miniature My Little Ponies in them. And she was hoping for a dash, and she got more than one dash. In fact, she got, I think it was 2 duplicates. So I thought, maybe she'd like to trade those. Well, those 2 ponies either really grew, I mean, they were like this big, because I was thinking they'd be cute for one of my Blythes to hold, or she sent more, and I owe her more. So we did this trade. We will put Lissa's link to her channel into our description. Lissa does she has a very cool channel. She does a lot of box openings. She has custom Blythes and all sorts of dolls. She recently got the Silkstone Barbies, just all sorts of things. Oh, wow. My cameraman is going to love what is on top. A mini cutter. He will give you a personal thank you, Lissa. Okay. Hi, Marna and Darren, included Darren, thank you very much. Thank you for such a wonderful show and for being such wonderful, sharing, generous couple. Here are a few things I wanted to share with you. 1, my favorite superhero, Wonder Woman Mini Funko. 2, some duplicate toys, mini. 3, LOL Surprise Mini Pets. 4, one tiny Lalaloopsa, wasn't sure if you had any, I do not. And 5, etc. This is a very cool card. She has little stickers on it. I trust in your unfailing love. I will rejoice because you have rescued me. I will sing to the Lord because he has been so good to me. Psalms 13, 5, and 6. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Look at this box. It is chocked full. Oh, Lissa, I did not send enough. Oh, wow. Look at these little, I love these things. The little mini toys. Oh, gosh. Balloons and hula hoop. I think that's a rare one, isn't it? And the little dinosaur, Darren. Look at this. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look at this tissue paper. Isn't it the coolest? Okay, these look like fun. Oh, isn't that cute? Little Wonder Woman. That is adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are what we traded for, I believe. Oh, I like these little containers. Isn't that cute? Isn't that like a dash, something dash? I thought those would be cute for one of my Blythes to hold in some photos if I ever get some black backdrops. Oh, and she even included the little look what you didn't get list. I love these because they make you want more. But look at this one. Woo-hoo. What a cutie.
Rainbow Dash, it says.
Rainbow Dash. Yeah, I knew it was something. And then this is Princess what? What does that say? Princess something.
Celestia.
There you go. Oh, I love this stuff. Thank you so much. But wait, there's more. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this Littlest. I think this is from Littlest Pet Shop. A little dog crate or kitty crate. How cute is that? Oh, that's adorable. Or what we say at our house, adorkable. Woohoo, look what I got. Look at this stuff. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, and some cowboy boots. They look like Barbie size. Oh, isn't she a cute one? That is really cute. She got shoes. and a little dog, little poodle, and a little Barbie purse. Oh, look, 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 look. How cute is that? Adorable. Oh, look at this Lolly Loopsy. That is tiny. No, I had not even seen these before. Very cute. And. I love my dolls to ride horses. And it's one thing I always check. Lissa kids me about it. When I check their articulation, I check to see if they can ride a horse. These are adorkable. And it says Leica underneath. I thought it said Lissa for a moment. Okay, we're saving that for a minute. And believe it or not, there is more in here. This is like trade. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is like trade plus unbelievable. Unbelievable. Uh-oh, there's something in that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't want any of this to get lost. There's some. Make sure I got it all. I think I did. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Lissa collects bees, and not like honeybees, but things that are like made like bees. So I'm surprised to see this. That is so cute. I'm kind of thinking it's, I can't think of the name. I'll think of it in a minute. My goodness, how generous. Look at this. Look at this. I absolutely love the pet store Bly's. Okay, so this goes with that, I think. An extra outfit. An extra outfit. Look at her little headband. Oh my God, that is, oh wow. I'm just blown away. I am just blown away. Let me set this over. Look at this. I love these. Aren't these adorable? They're little working umbrellas. They are perfect for the 18-inch dolls, and they're really cute for Blythe because Blythe has those big heads. Oh my goodness, I am blown away. This is my first of these wrecking balls. Let's open this up. AC/DC LOL. I don't know, it looks like it opens.
Probably slides.
You know what? I'm going to wait a minute on that because I'm vain and I don't want to break my nail any more than it is. As you can see, they need care. I'm going to leave that a second. Okay, little sticker. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh yeah, and they have that the little rooms. Lissa opens these a lot. That's how I know about them. And here's another surprise. Oh, look at Kitty. How cute is Kitty? And then we'll put that there. Oh, stand up, guy. Okay, we'll fix that in a minute. I know that opens because it has a hinge. This is unbelievable, Lissa. I cannot believe you did this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love the little storage balls and that they're wrecking balls. I can almost hear Miley Cyrus came in like, I won't sing anymore. They'll take my, they punish you for that. Okay, so this has this, oh, looky here. Isn't that adorable? How cute is that? It says BB, ABC, LOL, OMG, Cool-matic. So it's a little refrigerator. Ha ha ha, how cute is that? Oh wait, there's more here. I bet these are little bitty shoes maybe? Two things happened, as they often do. The camera went out while we were filming, so if it stopped abruptly, you understand. It happens to all of us. And then we started filming again, and guess what? it wasn't. What I was saying is this is indeed a la-di-da doll. And Lissa, what you do not know is I have been looking at these dolls on eBay. I just love them. I have this girl, and she needed a friend. So that is so cool. Look, I wanted to show everyone. Look at the honeycomb glasses that she had. I just can't get over that Lissa sent me a bee doll because I know she collects them. And if you haven't seen her channel, you'll want to see her open some of her dolls that are bees. This little doll has one of those little stands. I can't remember what they're called, but little, oh, I know the word. I just can't think of it this morning. Anyway, so on the last filming, I opened this far, but I had not opened any of the little packets. So I got the pink, and I got the wrecking ball, and I was saying, every time I see someone open these, I think of Miley Cyrus. I won't sing it because, well, it would hurt your ears, and they'd probably, you know, do something on YouTube because it's not allowed. Anyway, these, as I understand it, hook together. I will have to figure that out because these are new to me. And let's see what else I got. Here's the ha ha ha, you didn't get it, or is this just, oh, it might be instructions, and Lord knows I'll need
Yeah,
those.
because you have your house on its side. The
Oh.
blue part goes down. That's the floor, it looks like.
Oh, okay, like
that.
oh, like this, okay.
See,
Yep.
because that's you got your door sideways.
Okay, yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay, I will, more so than you think. All right, so those can go together?
Yeah,
We'll look
looks
at it.
like it.
I will read the instructions, maybe. All right, let's open this and see what kind of friend my little kitty cat got. These are fun. I see these opened all the time, and I enjoy watching. Oh, how appropriate. I got a bunny for Easter. That's adorable. Or as we say, adorkable. Put that there. And these things are so little. I keep checking them and rechecking. Oh my goodness. Look at that tiny couch. And it's in different colors, and it's not like cheaply made, like, I don't know, like some of the Barbie stuff. That is really cute. They can sit on that together, little friends. Kitty and little rabbit, and I have this little drink that they have. They can split that. Oh, fell over. I don't know, maybe it doesn't sit on there. All right, let's finish opening this.
It's like a cupcake.
Oh yeah, it's a cupcake. Maybe I should put these on. All right, I'll bet this is part of that house, and it's got some slits. I'll have to read the instructions. And what else? Oh, very cool. You build a little house out of these. I do know that, and you store them in your little balls, your little wrecking balls. And I bet that hooks on somehow. It does something. And then, oh, look at this tiny book. Oh, this is who the characters are. How cute is that? Isn't that fun? That is really fun. I call it the guys you didn't get list. And another sticker. Well, this is so cute, Lissa. I cannot thank you enough. I am overwhelmed at your generosity. Let me see if I can put this together. Probably not. I probably need my cameraman to do it. But thank you. Thank you. I really, this is all I expected. I'm so delighted with every item. So I got trade plus Happy Mail. Thank you. Take a look at Lissa's channel. Again, it's Joy Doll Lissa. And we will have her link below in our description. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.